Oh my god, it's tungsten. I was not ready for the tungsten. Nobody is ever ready for the tungsten.
Not really, no.
Die. I am not doing well in the health department. Loot all. And now I'm the proud owner of a boomstick. And another chest.
This is my boomstick!
Exactly. Ah, god damn it. The skeleton just waited for me.
This is a reference to two things at once.
Oh boy. We are multi-referential today.
Yep.
We are so Vogue. Ooh, I'm getting closer. Oh yeah, I see Plantara too now.
Do you?
Yeah.
So, here's the thing.
Okay.
Just flip the potions and just try this.
What is this? You said
What?
here's a thing. A big red thing.
Yeah, it's dynamite blowing up device.
Oh, okay. I probably do not want to touch it. Do I want to touch it?
I touched it already.
Ooh.
Nothing was happening.
Oh. So do we take it? Okay, what's the El Planito here? We are again or still whatever in the jungle. Ooh, what do we have here? Archery potion.
Yeah.
And
why?
Yes.
How do we do this? Do we try to get to the surface and fight Plantara there, or?
I mean, we are pretty
do you want
far
to do
down,
this?
aren't we? So this is already a bad start, kind of.
That's the thing. We could just make our way up and just dig down, so we have a path. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So to the Plantara place and then do the battling down here.
Yeah, my point is, do we now try to lure it up, to just activate it and then just going upstairs
We
as
could
quickly
try
as
this.
possible?
Yeah, we could try this. Or we could even try teleporting up and hoping that she follows us.
I think. Thing is, what I'm now doing is just making a path upstairs anyway.
That's good. Ah,
Because
goddammit.
I also think we should, before we activate Plantara, just quickly go back to the base, dropping off money, the usual stuff.
Dropping of money. Ooh, spiked water walking boots. I like this idea. Okay, loot all. This went well. We get rid of this shit. Get rid of this shit. Just plant those two. Ooh, there's another box over there.
Okay, that's good information to have.
I know, right? It's pretty amazing.
Not you.
Oh.
Chat is useful. You are not useful.
It's true, but you still shouldn't say it. Oh no! You're going to wash away my... Aw, my torches. How could you? So
apparently,
did you
Plantara goes completely flip its shit when it's leaving the jungle.
So we probably should not do this? That's what the chat is saying?
I assume so.
I mean, if we just go up, we are still in the jungle.
The thing is, there's an underground jungle and there's a jungle.
Ah.
I think they're referring to the because it would be too easy, right? To just get it up there and just fight it there. So.
Ooh, you found green stuff.
Yes.
So are we going to do this now, or what?
Before we do this, I will go back home and I will just quickly dump off all the stuff we just found.
Fair, I guess.
Do you have put the boxes upstairs?
No. I'm still carrying
Do
them
that.
with me.
Yeah, you should do that.
We don't really have a straight path up yet. Oh, he's talking about the Eye of Cthulhu. Fine, yeah, whatever. Okay, I guess I can do this. Do you have something to create planks so we can multi-layer our boxes?
Yes. I
Good.
do. The thing is, I do not have enough space to make anything. Wait.
I wait. Okay, there we go.
Coolio.
Coolio. I have more where this, I believe. Where are my other boxes? They're probably in my piggy bank now. Wait, there's a merchant. I can hopefully sell him a lot of stuff I don't like. Take this. Haha, he took it. Take this. Take this.
Where's my Klofel?
I have a little of Klofel. Take this. Aha, here's this idiot. He took it again. I don't care. Gold bars are not cool anymore, are they?
Gold bars are pretty useless, yes.
Cool, I'm selling them.
Where the hell? Where the hell? Where the hell is this? I'm probably pretty stupid to just not see it, but is there a search thing where I can just search all the boxes?
No. I don't think so.
Oh, nice.
But I got more boxes. Oh,
I can do something.
Oh boy, what can you do?
I can make something which summons the bee queen.
Ooh, that is cool.
Yeah.
Do we should leave this monster? Let this monster in?
No.
Oh.
So.
Quick stacks. This was the one I was looking for. Ah, okay. I'm out of money. I guess I go digging. Whee!
I'm done, basically.
Okay.
So, should we do this?
Yeah, that's why I'm digging. I'm digging a more direct path to Plantara. Because, oh no, the water. No, my candles. That are torches.
You have a wisp thingy now. That's complaining.
Yeah, but it's actually still helpful to mark where you already were. It allows you to see places that are not directly around you. Good stuff, you know? Anyways, we should be above Plantara. You can just take the path here. I'm drowning, by the way.
So much drowning is occurring.
Ooh,
Something fun.
Oh, that's
Da 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 da. So, where is this?
down here. I guess. Come on, go in there. Da dee da 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 dee. Ah, I see it. So, what is the plan? We still try to go up?
No? I guess? No?
No?
Trying to fight it here?
Here? Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, what was the button for all the good stuff to happen? B or something?
Yeah, B.
Okay. So, B. I have activated all the good stuff. Holy crap, now I can suddenly see. What do I do with it? Hit it?
Yeah.
Hitting doesn't work.
The shovel thing.
Oh, yeah, that worked. Oh boy. Wasn't me. It was him. I hear awesome music, which probably means... Oh, there she is! The lady of the thing. Ow. Ha 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 ha! She's coming after you again. Da-dee-da-da. Oh, what the... Oh boy, this hurts. This actually does hurt. I don't see her. Oh, she's still... Why do I teleport around? This is not funny, game. Stop it. This is weird. Stop it, game. This is not good. Why is there water on the ceiling? What the fuck is happening? What the... Seriously, what's happening? Is this a... Am I cursed by something? The game keeps flipping upside down.
Are you confused? Something?
What the fuck? What the fuck? I must have drunken a potion that flips upside. Oh shit!
Oh, you have you have the gravitation potion now.
It's horrible.
Yeah, which changes your gravity.
Oh boy. Okay. Don't die yet. I will be back in a second. No dying. Oh shit. Respawn. Oh shit, respawn. Okay. No!
What?
We must have done something to the base. I respawned in our home base.
Nice.
Oh,
That makes things not really easier.
No, it doesn't.
For me. Right now.
I mean, I'm on my way back. Oh boy, you don't have a lot of life left. Oh shit. Is she still around? That's the question.
I don't think so.
I mean, I'm already back on my way to her. Which might be a horrible idea in and of itself.
This could take a while, dear viewers.
It could, couldn't it? Okay, first of all, why is my bed not set anymore?
I don't know, but she is not here anymore.
Ba-dum bum. I don't want to
Hey,
talk to you anymore. Spawn
this is
point.
not really an interesting fight, so
Dude,
to
it's
speak.
even worse. It just told me spawn point removed. I have no idea
Yes.
why it set me back there to begin with. This is not nice, game.
Julio.
Not nice. So we are back to looking for good old
Terraria.
Plantari. Fuck this so the gravitation potion you said. Okay, let's see. What potion do I still have one of those? Because this was horrible. This was absolutely horrible.
And it fucked you over good.
Yes.
Because also the gravity damage, so the fall damage also works still in the other direction. So if you're bouncing against the ceiling, you're still getting full damage.
Absolutely.
It says you do not have this
for
lucky
fuck's
horseshoe. Jeez.
Shit, Loop is still counting.
Of course he is.
I'm again back at the home base. I set my fucking spawn point and it sends me here. The viewers can now confirm it. Wow, this is bad. I know this. I know how to fuck this shit. As much fun as all this is. Oh, we need a proper opening here. Do I have anything to build? I guess. This. Oh no. Da. Hope this is enough. We will see. Okay. Screw everything, I'm turning boring. And oh god. How many holes have you blasted in our damn sky bridge?
What?
I know I don't blast holes into things, so it must have been you.
Sure. Whatever you say.
Yes, I do say. Wait, this is probably the jungle exit. What do I hear now? Okay. What are you even doing there?
I don't know, I just wanted to decorate the area a little bit.
Fair, I guess.
I guess so too. So...
I guess I try the green bed now.
And then you just using the magic mirror.
Yeah, I guess I have set the spawn point to the green bed now.
Yeah.
So this might have overwritten yours. But it worked at least for me. Okay.
Try it again.
Why ever? I mean...
Try it again, just for shits and giggles.
Okay.
first.
We are good. We are good. Now let's find this
Weird.
plant thing.
While you're doing this, I will just do something else really quickly.
Fair.
I will make the... I will get dynamite. A lot. Because as we established in previous episodes, there's no problem you cannot solve with dynamite.
Except maybe building sky bridges. Dynamite kind of has an opposite effect on it, just saying. Yeah.
I mean, we used plenty of dynamite to building this sky bridge, and it still is there. So, I don't know. What are you talking about?
You have an interesting definition of the word build. Okay, let's see. Come to me, little torches. Yes. Dude, are you fucking... Okay. Yes, little torches.
Corruption spreads fast.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yes. Yes, it does.
So you can spawn bees at some point soon, you said.
There's an item in the jungle area.
Question: Did Plantara glow?
Glow.
Was it luminescent the thing? Oh, God. So it's like, do I look for something glowing? That's basically what I'm asking.
No.
No.
I think I'm not sure actually, to be honest.
Could swear it glow. Ouch.
Where was this thing?
Because so far we are completely achievementless for the day.
I mean, that could actually stay.
No! I need to go to the angler. But then again, I don't know where the fish are. Where I can find fish. Oh, shit. Oh, the traveling merchant is, he's kind of, persistent today. He really hopes we buy his crap. Ow, go away, fish monster. Ouchie. A bunny statue. Oh boy. What? I did not find Plantara, in case you were wondering.
Not?
No, it's weird, isn't it? Okay. Can I spot something on the map that looks like Plantara? I mean,
dear viewers, when you have helpful tips, feel free to just voice them.
Yes, like where to find Plantara. Or
Yeah,
how
is there an easier way to just freaking get Plantara to spawn? Because this searching is actually, I mean, it's not really entertaining. That is our point.
Yeah. And this is just talking from our point of view.
Yeah.
It even becomes hard to keep the comedy up.
Yeah. What I'm doing, by the way, dear viewers, I'm just doing an equal boring task. I'm just wiring a blue wire from our main base to the jungle base. And yes, that's really tedious.
But you do it for the team anyways.
Yeah, I'm doing it for the kids.
What about the oh wait, this is green stuff. Collecting more green stuff.
Do you mean in the stream, Denim? Because I died in the stream, yes. I also died, I died versus Plantara, actually.
Damn it, what's up with those ladies again? Go away. I'm not your husband.
Yeah, 3 times. Yeah, that sounds appropriate. Yes.
Achievement! Achievement! We got
Ew.
one! I am the Bulldozer.
Yeah. You did the digging stuff?
Yes, I just kept digging enough.
Now, someone was like, I will do this stuff off stream. Nobody will notice. And I was like, it could actually be that you're
No,
getting an achievement. No, never.
I would have been careful. Oh, fuck, they're killing me. I would have been careful not to die.
To die?
And to dig. Because I was aware that I'm close with this achievement.
Yeah. Really, really boring.
Ooh, I found the mother load of green stuff.
Nice.
The problem is that I just got killed.
Wow. Wow, really wow. By Stinger.
Yeah, I know, right? Okay, can I find it again? It was to the left, okay, down.
Wow, I ran out of cables. That's really embarrassing. Need more cables.
Go away, creature. Don't have time for this. Ain't nobody had time for that.
Ain't nobody has time for that.
Okay, I need to find the mother load of green stuff again. And then the damn stinger. Hopefully doesn't sting me again. I don't want to be stung.
By the way, INY, do
Yes.
you want a jetpack?
Do I want a jetpack? Oh, there was a thing about jetpacks, wasn't there?
Better than the rocket boot.
I'm still convinced that despite the proof and the evidence we gathered last time, I'm still convinced that my rocket boots are actually superior.
But they are not. Spoiler alert.
What, except for evidence, do you have to convince me?
Yeah, if you put it like that, it's
I
probably
know.
fake news anyway.
Hashtag fake news.
Yeah, because we are down with current events of current zeitgeist and stuff.
Are fake news officially zeitgeist now?
Actually, they are.
Oh god, this is disturbing.
This actually is.
Die, everything around me, just die. Shit, I collected like 1 million monsters. Just by being here and doing my digging.
Can you dig it?
Yes, I can! Ooh, I'm actually killing stuff. I'm also having a lot of bollocks with me.
Yeah, bollocks.
God, what's up with this traveling merchant? God, go away, all those... Ah! Nobody needs any of this. Okay,
Where's button?
Okay.
There's my button.
Okay, I got a nice big amount of green stuff. But, oh goddammit. Dying again by those goddamn hornet swing thingies. They just...
Is this?
Let's see. So we are probably live again. That's the starting point. I'm firing up the game.
Welcome back, everyone.
Everyone who is still here after this
Yes.
little stream drop.
Yes.
I dropped.
I was completely rage quitting, by the way.
Yeah, it was rage quit, totally.
Yes, totally.
Like, baka!
Very
Okay.
immature rage quit.
Send me an invite. Please.
There's still people here. You're so lovely, you people.
Also, your green screen is messing up more and more.
Is it?
Yes. It seems to have moved and it gets fiddly.
No, that's not even true.
Or is it?
Not on my end. Is it?
Hey, I'm back here, and I have not even lost my good items.
Nice.
That's actually
Oh.
is a nice development.
Welcome back, everyone. We have now a working teleporter.
Yeah. Also, I put all the green stuff in one of the boxes here.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, and I put other stuff in here so that we can easier quick stack when we're around those thingamagigs.
So I think I will just relocate the freaking forge. It sounds just quicker.
Sounds good. Sounds good, I guess.
Okay, and why?
Okay, I try to find Plantara again. So, okay, how does it work?
You just click the little...
Oh. Okay,
and then
now...
you see where you are.
Yes, and then I click it again. And how do I get to the beach house?
The beach house is not connected yet.
Oh, okay. So you just have put... Ooh, there's a worm. How do I get the worm? Damn it, I cannot get it. It's a purple one. Anyways, there's no achievement for worms, so screw that. Whee! So, Plantara, where are you?
Yeah, Plantara. Where were we?
Exactly. I mean, this is literally where we were, right? Finding Plantara.
Finding Plantara is actually the more stressful part of this whole encounter, I think.
I mean, especially since it's less about stressness and more about keeping the spirit up.
Yeah, right? It has the same vibe as making a very difficult boss fight. Or, let's say, making a boss fight which is you still need to figure out and shit. And making a very long-winded cutscene before the boss fight, which you cannot skip.
Oh, yes, this sounds familiar.
By the way,
Resident Evil.
By the way, for everyone who does that.
For all the video game producers that are currently watching this Let's Play.
Yes. All of you.
Because,
all watching.
Because
you know
exactly,
who you are.
Because we know that every video game producer watches every Let's Play stream ever on the entire internet.
Funny enough, I don't.
What? No way.
Really
I mean, this is free market research for them. They can see
right?
people playing their games in a completely natural and unforced environment. I guess I answered my own question why they don't do it.
Ludicrous. Ludicrous.
I know, right?
Ludicrous notion.
Yeah, I'm still trying to make my way in here. Also, fun fact, so when my computer crashed just a moment ago...
I mean, when you rage quit it.
Yes, totally. You know what happened when it when it rebooted?
No.
Windows updates installed. So, I wonder what might have caused this crash, Microsoft.
Windows 10 is a really good product without any flaws.
It's pretty decent, isn't it?
No.